It's been a real eye-opener. Firstly, coming to Mumbai for the first time. I mean, I'm of Indian origin and I'm coming to India. It's really fantastic to start with. But also, I think the vibrancy here in terms of talking to the different exhibitors at the booth stands, and even during my panel talk, listening to the panelists, I think it gives me a very good hope for the future in terms of how we can transform the manufacturing industry here through additive. I think that's the way to go, and I think everyone is kind of thinking how to get involved in that, which kind of positioning that we should take. But fundamentally, everyone is aligned. We know that AM is here to stay, and we've got to be ahead of the curve. And I think India and your group here in AMTECH for doing a fantastic job. I think congrats to Aditya and team. They pulled this together in a very short space of time. You've grown it to a huge exhibition whereby you're bringing in Sama, you're bringing in NAMIC, and I think you're bringing in John Barnes, and the rest of the world is now looking up and saying, hey, you know what? India is a place to go.